Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the iPad and app. Confirm you have an iPad Pro with Lidar, enable location and camera access, and open the app you'll use. Once done, point the iPad at a clear surface and hold steady. Lidar needs unobstructed view. Make sure to allow any in-app prompts for scanning or depth capture. This gets the hardware and permissions working so the sensor can measure distance and capture depth immediately. You now perform the core scan. Hold the iPad 5 to 2 meters from the subject and sweep slowly in overlapping passes so the Lidar builds consistent depth maps. Once done with broad sweeps, move closer to capture edges and occlusions. These are where errors happen. Make sure to pause briefly on complex geometry so the sensor refines points, then continue. This method balances range and detail, producing accurate meshes and depth textures for measurement or 3D export. You finish by reviewing and exporting. Inspect the mesh or depth map, trim artifacts, and align frames before export. Choose OBJ or PLY for 3D models or JPG/PNG for depth images. Once done, save and share via AirDrop, Files, or Cloud. If scans look noisy, make sure to clean the camera/Lidar window, avoid reflective or dark surfaces, and restart the app. Recalibrate by rescanning a known object. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most common capture issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.